Good morning, friends, and welcome back. I'm going to show you how I turned this large piece of wood into this large Christmas ball decoration. And that is art paper that's on there, and I'm going to show you how you can add these embellishments, how to decoupage the surface that you're working on, and in what order to do all of this in. And a real quick reminder, I have an ebook on Amazon. I will have the link down below. I can't get back to a lot of you who have questions. So what I've done is I've made this ebook. You can download it immediately to any Kindle or any smartphone, smart device that you have. You can actually download a free app. The app turns your smartphone or smart device into a Kindle for free, and then you can just start downloading these books. But the reason I did it as an ebook is because it takes you right back to the video that will help you see the answer to whatever problem or question you may have about a particular project you're working on or you would like to do. So this happens to be art paper that I found in a beautiful upscale stationery store, and I cannot provide a link to this, but I will have some links down below for some very pretty papers by Cavallini that you can use and follow these same instructions to. And one other quick thing, I just want to mention a huge thank you to Habitat for Humanity. If you guys can shop there or go to the local thrift store that's run by Habitat for Humanity, they do so much, and they have done so much to help people that I know that were really in need, that I just can't say enough good about Habitat for Humanity. So I'm going to put this video to music. Have fun with it, guys. Thank you so much for sharing, subscribing, commenting, and I will see you guys next week. But here is today's DIY.